Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable auto download on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you can open your WhatsApp. Then after you have your WhatsApp opened, you can go to the WhatsApp setting, click on the three dots, then you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and the settings menu, you have to go to the storage and data. And if you want to disable the auto download on your WhatsApp, you just need to click on this when using mobile data. And then you have to disable all of this: photos, audio, videos, and documents. And you can click on OK. Alright, and after you disable this feature, when using mobile data or when your mobile data is on, the WhatsApp won't download the media, photos, or videos automatically. You can also disable the auto download for the Wi-Fi. You can click on when connected on Wi-Fi, then you can disable all of this as well, like this. And after that, you just need to click on OK. So when your Wi-Fi is on, the WhatsApp will be stopped from downloading the media automatically. Alright guys, then that's how we can disable the auto download on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.